Hey, what's up guys? This is JinSam. This time I want to tell you about Korean search engine. We don't use Google that much because we have our own search engine. So I'm gonna briefly explain about differences of each one. Basically, we have two big search engine. One is 다음, another one is Naver. So just to show you, 다음.net. Yeah, see? So it's kind of messy because we have a lot of issues, commercials and news, a lot of things on the website. So it has its good and bad, but anyway, this is down.net and another one is naver.com. Yeah, this is the same. There are a lot of messy news or commercials on the first page. Probably look almost the same to you guys, but actually it has really big differences between each other. So for example, down, we just use down for news. Literally news. Down has some kind of like a good image about good news. So we see news on down and Naver. In Naver, we use that for as a search engine. We just search things more often compared to down. So these days, BTS is really huge. So maybe we just check that out. BTS is 방탄소년단, right? So you can get more and better information in Korean search engine compared to Google. So here is image and a lot of images here and mostly took by Korean fans, so you can find very recent one. Wow! BTS in English. Yeah, also you can get result here. And here is news about BTS, images, right, things like that, the movie, things like that. And anyway, just play with it. And down here, I came back to down, and then it's down, and then what is the big issue today? Let's check that out. So here right side has your words that most popular right now. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot here. This is our category. Yeah, so today actually full of information related to Black Friday, maybe this weekend, right? It's all like about sales. See, 75%. Yeah, and then ABC Mart also big sale. Yeah, it's all about like, yeah, things like that. Enjoy your searching and just play with them if you're interested in Korean culture. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.